Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, useful things that you can use for your travel agency. So we understand that you might have customers who are walking in and they're asking for information regarding to visas and what are the requirements, and you need to supply that information to your customer. Having those things ready is very useful for your business and gives a very professional impression to your customer. So CouponBet has these options as well. So let me show you right away how you can use that and how you can find all the information related to visa processing. So imagine you're here right now, you're logged in, you're registered and you're logged in, and this is the booking page. And what you have to do is you have to go here to the Visa tab. Once you click on the Visa tab, you can see all the visa information that's currently available on CouponBet. And we also have Philippine passport requirements in case your customer wants to know more about the requirements for new passport, renewal of passport, or a lost passport. So what you really want to do is imagine your customer says, I would like to know more about South Korea, and do you have a list of requirements? So let's search here for South Korea, and you can see if we type in South Korea, you can see right now that there is a tourist visa required. They don't have any cruise visa information, and there's also no information regarding to transit visa. So how can you get more information? Well, just click on the link here. You can see this link here. If you click on this, you will see more information regarding to Korea and the visa requirements. As you can see here, you have a list of many different categories, and you know exactly what your customer needs, so you can just give them all the information they need. And maybe they will say, oh, can you print this list out? And of course, yes, that is possible. All you have to do is you can click here on print the South Korea visa checklist, and once you do that, start to load, and there you are. Instantly you have a list of all the information you need, and you can supply it to your customer. And maybe you say, wait a minute, I don't like this color and I don't want the logo here. However, you can see here your current information is here, and you can always adjust this. So you can adjust the color and the logo as well. So if we go back here, let's go to my settings, and then you go to my account, go to company details, and you can see here logo and color. So you can change this color to, for example, a nice green color. And if you have any logo, you can add your logo here. You would click here update, and you can see everything's updated. And if you refresh, instantly everything changes to your color. And if we go back here to the visa, we search again for the South Korean visa, and there you are. You can see everything starts to become slightly lime green, and your colors are here as well. So this matches, and you can print this out with your design, your logo, and your colors easily, and your customers are very satisfied, and they're very happy that you have all the information ready at hand. And this is how useful CouponBet is for your travel agency. You can easily search for many different checklists. Currently we have 6 different checklists, or 5 you can see here 5 checklists right now. More are being edited, and for the other countries you can see more information if ever needed. You can see here cruise visas, transit visas, and tourist visas. All of this information very useful for you, so you can save your time and serve your customer more better. So if you like this and you like CouponBet, just go to our website, to couponbet.com, and register for an account right away.